What's going on? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Disney Plus in 2025. So there's a website, guys, called ogsnags.com where you can get like crazy coupons and stuff. So just go to this website and type in Disney, and you guys are going to see that it says Disney Plus promo codes. So just go ahead and press on it and then press show coupon code and just wait for it to load. So once it loads up, guys, we're just going to go ahead and press get full code, and it's going to bring it. So on this page, guys, you just want to enter your email address and they're going to send you your Disney Plus promo code. So I'm not going to do that, obviously, because I don't want to show you guys my email in this video, but I'm going to show you some other things that happen. So after you enter your email address, you're going to see a page like this where it asks you to register. So make sure you guys go ahead and fill this out. It's very important. And then the deals page is the final step. You can see it says complete one deal to continue. So make sure you go ahead and do this, guys. It's very easy. And then once you do that, you will get the free Disney Plus. But as you can see, this deal says to reach board level 10 of Monopoly Go, and it costs $0. So that's pretty simple. So yeah, I mean, all you gotta do is just put in your email, guys, and you're gonna get free Disney Plus. It's super crazy. This actually works. So I'm gonna see you guys later. This is actually like updated and everything. And I mean, we can type in Disney Plus cost. Let's do it here. Just do Disney Plus cost. And as you can see, it is $7.99 a month. That's a lot of money. And actually, that's it's like $10.99 without ads. So if you guys want to get free Disney Plus, be sure to go ahead and try this out. I'll see you guys in another video. Be subscribed to the channel because this is super cool and it totally works, guys. So enjoy. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, and peace out, bros. This is wild.